how to log in to Poste Italiane online banking. Here's how it works. First, Google search for Poste Italiane sign in or login, and you want to click on the first website that pops up right here. It is going to take us to this page, and you have different methods of logging into your online banking or signing in. The first one is going to be using your username and password. If you know your username and password, then you can just type them here and you can select sign in. The second method is going to be if you have the Poste Italiane app installed. If you have it installed and set up and logged in on your phone, then you can simply open up your phone's camera, scan the QR code which the website has generated for you, and it is going to automatically sign you in. And the last one is going to be if you have a Poste ID. If you have set up a Poste ID, you can sign in by clicking on this button and sign in with your information. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.